If you're trying to set up a free trial on your Squarespace membership site, you've probably realized that there is not a built-in feature for you to be able to do this. There are some workarounds that people use, but they require a lot of manual work and there's lots of room for error. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to set up a free trial of any length on your Squarespace membership site. In case you're wondering what those workarounds are that I just mentioned, let's talk about them really quick. One of them is setting up a free plan and switching your members over to the paid plan when that free trial period is over. Sure, that's an option, but it's not going to be a good one for you if you want your customers to have a smooth experience being introduced to your membership. The second workaround is going to be setting up a 100% discount for the first month of your membership. So you can do this through Squarespace. However, that doesn't work for a lot of people. If you don't want a full month to offer people for free, because that's a lot of time for someone to be able to get access to your exclusive content for free, maybe you want 7 days or 3 days or 14 days or whatever it is, that's going to be too long for you. So we're going to talk about another option that's going to give you a lot more flexibility. So if having a free trial is a really important part of your business, a better option for you is going to be using a tool like MemberSpace. MemberSpace is a Squarespace plugin, so it adds membership functionality to your existing website. So you get to keep Squarespace, keep everything that you've already built, and just install it right on your website. And then it fills in a lot of those feature gaps that MemberSites has, one of them being not being able to set up a free trial. So next, I will show you exactly how to set up a free trial through MemberSpace so you can have your members test out your content for however long you want. The first thing that you'll need to do is install MemberSpace on your website, which takes just about 30 seconds to do. And once it's been installed, you'll notice this little floating members button in the bottom right corner. If you click that button, a login form will sign up for your members to access your exclusive content, and people who have not signed up yet can also sign up through that button. Now, to set everything up with MemberSpace, you'll head over to your new account, and we're going to start adding your exclusive content and setting up pricing plans and everything here. So you'll go over to Spaces, and you can see I've already set up some spaces here within this account, but a space is basically just a collection of exclusive content. So if you've got a library of templates, maybe you call your space templates, or if you've got an online course or multiple courses that you want to sell access to, maybe the space is named courses, but you can call this whatever you want, whatever makes sense for your specific business. And then once you've set up a space, you can add content directly to it. So you can add files like PDFs and images and things like that. You can add links as well. So maybe you've got like a Facebook group or something like that that you want to link to. You can add a link to that. You can embed video content from YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia. And then also, if you've got your membership already built out on pages on your Squarespace website, you can go ahead and lock those pages as well through here. So just to give you an idea of what it looks like once you've started to add your membership content to MemberSpace, I've got a yoga class library here that I've started. There are a couple of different folders here. So if I click into yoga classes, there's my yoga classes. If I click into meditation sessions, I've got a couple of nested folders in there. So just the start of a yoga class library here. Once you've uploaded all of your content that you want to sell access to, you're going to jump over to this pricing section here and click create a plan. Now, this is where you're going to decide how to sell access to your membership content and set up your free trial. So I'm going to go with a reoccurring payment. We'll say that the plan name is yoga class library. We're going to say it's $10 once a month. You can set your payment interval to be whatever you would like, though. Which spaces can be accessed. We'll have people access both spaces, and then show advanced options. Now, this is where you're going to be able to set up that free trial, as well as customize your other billing options here. For free trial, you can make this whatever you would like. So for a yoga class library, it might make sense, to give people 5 days to try the content before they decide if they want to be a paying member, or maybe it's 3 days or whatever it is. You can decide that here. And then like it says, after the trial ends, your members will automatically be charged. So once you set up all of your pricing options here, you will go ahead and click create this plan. The last thing that you'll need to do is just add the sign up link right here to your Squarespace website so that people can sign up and pay for access to your content. And you can add that sign up link literally wherever you want. Most people will do it on their homepage, if there's a call to action button or a landing page that sells your membership. Maybe it's in email campaigns. You can add it wherever you would like. And then when someone clicks the button or the link, they will see the sign up form that allows them to sign up and pay for access to your membership. All right, so I filled out that sign up form and then it takes me to this payment form. And you can see up here in the right, it shows that 3-day free trial. So when someone signs up for your membership, they'll be able to see that they get those first 3 days or however many days for free. Overall, offering a free trial can be one of the easiest ways to boost conversions for a membership business because it gives people a chance to actually experience your content before they commit to paying for it. And that's especially important if you're selling something like a fitness membership, coaching program, community, or some kind of resource library where people really need to see the value firsthand. It also lowers the barrier to sign up because instead of asking someone to immediately pay for your content before they've even seen it, you're giving them a low risk way to try things out first. And honestly, a lot of successful membership businesses use free trials because once people get into your content, start using your resources, and become a part of the community, they're way more likely to stick around long term. So if free trials are an important part of how you want to grow your membership, hopefully this gave you a good idea of how to set everything up with your Squarespace site using MemberSpace. Thanks for watching.